In this video, you'll learn how to scan QR codes using your Pixel 3a, 4a, 5a or 6a. By following these steps, you will be able to quickly access information linked to QR codes using your device's camera. Start by unlocking your Pixel device. Locate the camera app on your home screen or within the app drawer. Once you open the camera app, ensure that it is set to photo mode, as this is essential for scanning QR codes. Most Pixel phones have the capability to automatically detect QR codes, which streamlines the process. For optimal results, check that your camera lens is clean, as any smudges or dirt can hinder accurate scanning. Next, hold your phone steadily and point the camera directly at the QR code you wish to scan. It's important to make sure that the entire QR code is clearly visible within the camera frame. Your device is designed to automatically detect the code, so avoid moving the phone too much during this time. Wait for a moment to allow the device to recognize the code. This waiting period ensures accurate detection and a quick response from your device. Once the QR code is detected, a notification or link will appear on your screen. This is your cue to tap on the notification, which will open the associated content or web page. If prompted, confirm any additional messages that may appear to proceed further. Always ensure that the source of the link is safe before opening any unknown links, as this protects your device and personal information. This step allows you to access the information linked to the QR code quickly. Your Pixel device will now complete the QR scan process, allowing you to view the content or web page associated with the QR code. Remember that scanning QR codes can vary slightly depending on the specific app settings or software version, but the overall method remains the same across your Pixel models. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.